Hello everybody, my name is Nate Diamondbell, and welcome to Ghost Train. This was an episode of Thomas the Train. It aired, I don't know when it aired. I'm probably just gonna look this up. So here, it aired. There might be an edit there if I remember, otherwise you're just staring at my hand. So, when I saw this, I think maybe it was a Halloween episode, I'm not sure, but it scared me. Ghost Train scared me. It was a irrational fear, because a ghost train's just gonna come kill me when I sleep, oh no. But it actually did scare me, and I had trouble falling asleep. For a couple days after seeing it, I got scared a lot, and I still do. Like, a little fun fact about me, I'm kind of scared of the dark, and this fear, it hasn't gone away. It's mainly, it's not really a fear of monsters in the closet. It's more like I feel like there's something there, either paranormal or creature. I just always feel like there's something there, like something right on the other side of the door. Anyways, I want to get off that topic. Oh boy. Anyways, Thomas the Train was my show when I was younger. I loved it. It was the show that I watched. I had a lot of toys of it. You know, remember the wooden tracks? You know, when they made wooden toys. I had all sorts of those. They were amazing. I used to create whole, like, freaking cities out of the crap I had downstairs. But anyways, back to Ghost Train. So I guess, like I said, someone made a remake of it, but in actual animation. Now, I haven't seen this episode in literally years, so I don't really remember the plot. All I remember is just this train going, like, across that little bridge thing. So, like, tattered with rags and stuff. Yeah, it scared me. I can't remember what the actual, like, ending was, but it didn't really help. I have with here some apples, a nice little healthy snack to keep me nourished while I react to this. But that's enough jabbering. Let's get into this. I think I remember this, yeah. This music. Alright, this seems standard enough, you know, just going along the track at night. But who is it? Who is this? Oh! Ah, R.I.P. train. Ooh. That sounds like it hurt. That sounds like it hurt a lot. Did they go in the water or something?
And every year on the date of the accident, it runs again as a warning to others, plunging into the gap, shrieking like a lost soul. Percy, what are you talking about? The ghost train.
Yeah,
I saw it last night.
10 out of 10
Where?
voice acting.
He didn't say. Oh, it makes my wheels wobble to think of it. You're just a silly little engine. I'm not scared.
Oh boy, just no fear. Challenge accepted. Ah, such nostalgia. The animation itself is okay. It could have been better. There's no real shadows at all, but it could be worse. It could be
Thomas
worse.
didn't believe in your ghost, said Percy next morning. His driver laughed. Neither do I. It was only a pretend ghost story. Percy was disappointed.
Oh,
That evening, he
Rip
came
Percy.
back from the harbor.
Why are you going so late at night, though?
Percy knew where he was, even in the dark. Crow's Farm Crossing. We shan't be long now.
Good English, though.
He liked running at night. The rails hummed and the signal light shone green.
Rails
A
sound
broken
weird when
cartload
there's a
of
trail.
lime lay ahead. Sam the
lime?
farmer had just gone for help.
Oh, I'm sorry, Percy. You're dead.
Percy broke the cart to smithereens. Lime flew everywhere.
Some tells me that wasn't
He popped
lime in the
quickly to
carts.
the nearest signal box.
Just go, man. I mean, that face of determination, though. I'm not sure whether this is actually scary, because so far it's mostly just been a remake of the old one. Can you stop killing my ears, please? You turn this down. Nope. Nope, 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 nope,
What?
nope, 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 nope. I'm scared. Okay, I'm scared now. This is scary. Just nope. I am done with this. Need some water. The water isn't helping. This water is not helping. How about gum? Nope. That's not helping either. This is good gum, though. Oh, I'm getting Shed 17 flashbacks again. Stop with the static, please. I don't want it anymore. Stop it. You're scaring me. Is that water or static? Oh.
Percy,
Aw, Percy. Poor guy. Rest in peace, Percy. Poor Percy. I'm moving the mic a bit just to see if this helps the sound. I can't really see the thing as well, though. Da 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 ba da ba da ba da da ba ba da ba da ba da 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 da. This overall seems pleasant enough, but I don't get why there's still static. I just realized, like, the chewing of the gum I'm doing is probably right in this recording. It's gonna sound awful. Crap. Aw, Percy. Did they get him out? I'm hearing TF2 music there. Don't think I wouldn't know. RIP. Don't think I wouldn't see that. I wouldn't notice that. But you thought no one would notice, but I did. Boy, you get your rear end gear, you hightail it out of there. Because anyone who goes there, they die. Just go. Don't question the thing. Just go. Just go in reverse. Oh, you're dead, Thomas. I'm sorry, Thomas, but you're dead.
I'm gonna finish what you started.
Seaside, we're all at the seaside. Picnics and paddling, swimming all day. Seaside, we're all at the
This music is giving me very conflicting emotions.
what a lovely, lovely day. Thank you, Percy, for such a lovely day.
Well, that was Ghost Train. Just a little short reaction. Thank you all for joining me. I guess, and a happy Halloween, happy late Halloween. I should have done a Halloween video. Why didn't I? Bye bye.